Welcome to the Butterfly Atrium on the grounds of Hershey Gardens in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Open year-round, this space is library-like and was an amazing experience. Before you enter the humid, simulated tropical oasis flight room, you will stand in a chamber to get briefed on how to interact and move with the insects. A small path wanders through lush plants, over a water feature, through some caged elements, and then out the exit chamber. There is a cabinet in the back where they house the living specimens in the pupal stage who will transition into the main flight room once they're finished cooking. The staffers are very into butterflies and they will inform you on the species of the insects and the plants and even the licensing and laws surrounding this type of work. Being one of only 25 indoor butterfly atriums in our country, these people are legit specialists. When you go to leave, an employee will check you over in the exit vestibule to make sure you don't have any stowaways before you go back into the Hershey Gardens Welcome Center. See the link below for the Gardens Atrium page and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.